So you will come and give evidence. We are going to get your name, your number. We shall give the anti-corruption people. When he missed me, when he didn't get me, he left it with my secretary. So when I came, the secretary gave that letter to me. But on analyzing the letter, I realized that that letter could not be a true reflection of the document from the anti-corruption. So I called him because I wanted to meet him so that I could get to understand exactly what it was. Initially, he was hesitant. He said he had come with several letters of the same nature, some of which he was supplying to the governor's office and other government officers. So when he came, he claimed that he had been asked to come and investigate us from the headquarters by EAC, because it is alleged that we were given 200 million to use for planting trees, which we never used properly. So he has been sent here to come and account for it. But now when we checked the previous records we have from anti-corruption, we realized that that document was fake. So that's why I had to quickly call the officers from the Corruption Commission to come and authenticate. So they have come, they have confirmed that the documents that he's using to forge or to harass government officers are not genuine. And you know, as you have heard, this is not the first incident. He has got a similar incident in Ngong. He had a similar case in Eldoret. So this is just one among the very many that he could be doing. And you know, we have several of such cases. In Nakuru here we have 2. In fact, we are now, this is the 3rd one now. We still have 2, and we are also still interrogating and investigating them. The moment we get hold of them, we are also going to arrest them. Yes, we are with the press. Maybe we can talk later.